Imagine you walk into a store looking for a new laptop. The salesperson approaches to show you the latest model with all the best features, but he's not talking about the features you care about. So you turn him down and you walk out of the store. When we don't understand why someone wants to buy, we can easily miss out on a sale. But uncover the buyer's motivation, and we can instantly boost our sales. So let's look at some reasons that people buy. The fear of missing out, also known as FOMO, drives many purchases. If your local grocery store is running low on your favorite brand of pasta, you may grab it, even though you walked in to buy milk. Instant gratification can make people spend more than usual. When you want something right away, you don't mind paying a premium. The bandwagon effect describes our tendency to go with the crowd. That crowd could be online reviewers, close friends and acquaintances, or public figures. Reciprocity can be a powerful agent behind a purchase. When you do something nice for someone, they'll return the favor. This works even in a sales context. Imagine it's Saturday night, and you're in the mood for some sushi. There are 2 sushi restaurants in your neighborhood, both at a similar price point. But the last time you went to the first, the server brought you a delicious complimentary dish. This generous act might sway your decision. Consistency is about aligning our ideas about who we are with what we buy. If you're an eco-conscious person, you might want to support eco-friendly brands. Sometimes simplicity is best. 100 ice cream flavors might sound cool in theory, but how are you going to decide? Maybe it's best to go with vanilla. Nostalgia often applies to buying things we don't really need, but make us remember good times, like an action figure from your favorite childhood cartoon. So, what do these factors mean for you as a salesperson? Let's see how you can apply those motivations to make a sale with an example. Imagine you're the salesperson talking to a customer at the computer store. The first thing you'll want to do is find out why the customer wants a laptop. What's their motivation? Ask questions like, why are you looking for a new laptop? What features do you need in a laptop? How do you use your laptop day to day? When the customer answers, listen closely. Maybe they said they want to play games, but their laptop keeps freezing. Based on that, you can guess that their current laptop probably isn't built to handle gaming, and that they'll want a new machine that is. At this stage, don't jump to the best model on the market. Instead, simplify the choice by offering a good range of options. Here's an example of what you might say. X is good for less intensive games, and it's affordable. You can handle most games well for a bit more money. And Z is the best on the market for gaming. It's also the most expensive. Next, you can offer some credibility by telling the customer that X, Y, and Z are very popular among customers who are into gaming. You could also mention a famous gamer who uses those laptops if you know of one. So, what else can you do to lock in the sale? Create a sense of scarcity by making factual statements about the popularity of the models you're suggesting, or by mentioning any limited time discounts and deals. Then, make a special offer, if you have one available. Does your store include a free headset with the purchase of a certain computer? Is the laptop cheaper with the purchase of an accessory? Finally, remind the customer of their motivation. You might tell them they don't need to worry about the laptop freezing because it's built to handle the types of games they like to play. This also helps them imagine playing games on their new machine. The next thing you know, you've made a sale. People buy for many different reasons beyond price and quality, including a fear of missing out, instant gratification, simplicity, and nostalgia. Your job as a salesperson is to find out why someone might be interested in what you're selling. Then, you can use the different motivations to speak to their interests. Not only will that help that person find exactly what they need, but it can also boost your sales and improve your performance.